Dreaming about studying a new language, but you're worried that the game might not be worth the candle? Well then, keep watching, because today we'll walk you through 5 benefits of studying a second language. Ciao a tutti and welcome back to the Italian4a channel, your go-to destination for all things Italy. If you haven't done it yet, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to make the most out of your learning experience in Italy. So, let's face it, in today's interconnected world, the ability to be able to speak multiple languages is a really big asset. And being multilingual opens the doors to new career paths, new cultures, and new ways of thinking. So let's start with benefit number 1. Learning a new language can help you boost your brain power. It's not just about memorizing a list of vocabularies. To learn a new language, it's more like a full body workout for your brain, making you mentally stronger and sharper. Indeed, diving into a new language can help you. First of all, enhance your cognitive functions, as studies show that people learning a new language tend to have better focus and better multitasking abilities. Second, studies have shown that learning a new language keeps your brain stimulated, which can help delay the onset of diseases such as dementia or Alzheimer. And lastly, it can help you improve your decision-making skills, giving you a wider view to solve problems and take decisions. And now, let's move on to benefit number 2, improve your travel experience. To learn a new language, it's much more than just ordering food or ask for directions. It's a gateway for a richer and more immersive experience in the country. Here is how a second language can enhance your journey. First of all, it can help you create deeper connection with local people. Imagine being able to chat with local shopkeepers or walking in the streets and understand what people are saying. A few key phrases in the local language will really make the difference for you. Second, knowing the language when you travel can really help you navigate like a local. With language skills, you're going to be able to easily understand street signs, read menus, or navigate the public transport system. So this independence will help you stay more at ease while traveling abroad and will make you more inclined to go beyond the classic tourist spots and discover hidden gems that are frequented mostly by locals. And lastly, to learn a new language can really help you connect with the heart and soul of a place, connecting you with the culture on a deeper level. Moving on to benefit number 3. To learn a new language can really help you to bridge the cultural differences and appreciate the new culture. Among other things, to learn a new language can really help you to, first, unveil your artistic soul, as it allows you to appreciate the foreign music, literature, without relying on translation, letting you experience their true essence. Second, it can help you decode cultural traditions, as to learn the new language also means that you're going to be able to understand the why behind some cultural traditions or some names. And lastly, it can help you become a global citizen, as being bilingual will really help you to be able to interact with people from different languages and cultures with empathy and respect, being able to forge genuine connections with them. Guys, at this point, I'm very curious to know, have you ever taken into consideration these benefits while deciding to learn a new language? Or maybe did you take into consideration something else? Let me know in the comments, I read you. And now let's move to benefit number 4. The possibility to enhance your career opportunities. It's more than just adding a line to your resume. To learn a second language, it's really a strategic investment to unlock several career opportunities. First of all, it allows you to broaden your career horizons, maybe to international businesses, as well as being able to unlock interesting opportunities that maybe you never considered before, such as working in tourism, travel, education, or translation. Furthermore, it can really help you to stand out from the crowd, as in today's competitive market, multilingualism really makes you a standout candidate. It shows your dedication to learning, to adaptability, and that you're a curious person, all qualities that employees highly value. And lastly, connected to the previous points, you can boost your earning potential, as being bilingual increases your worth in the job market. And finally, the last benefit that we'll see together today. Benefit number 5. Learning a new language can help you to step out of your comfort zone and embrace a new challenge. To master a new language isn't something that happens overnight. you need to be consistent and you need a lot of stick-to-itiveness. But by learning a new language, you will really challenge yourself and broaden your horizons. And with that, I would say that it's all for today. Whatever your reason may be to study a new language, just make sure to find a clear goal that will fuel your motivation along the way. And remember, don't try to do too much too fast, but rather be consistent, as practice is really the key. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like it, comment it, or just share it with a friend. And if you're interested in learning the Italian language, I also deeply recommend you to check out 2 other guides that we created for you, which are the 10 fun facts on the Italian language and the 10 most used slang Italian expressions. Indeed, these guides can really help you create a deeper connection with the Italian language, as well to improve your Italian and allow you to talk like a real local. Until next time, ciao!